Governor Najma Heptullah says smaller communities in Northeast are facing dilemma of ethnic identity. People continue protest at Kaching Bazaar against centre's decision not to construct sports university at YTB Lokol. Retired IPS TH Radhesham joins BJP with thousands of supporters today. And ST Demand Committee asks government to take steps to include Meitei in scheduled tribe list before announcement of assembly polls. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Priyo Barta Sharma with the top stories and latest news of the day. The 46th Annual Conference of Indian Anthropological Society and International Seminar on Anthropological Research in Northeast India, Retrospect and Prospect were held today at the Court Hall of Manipur University. The event was organized by Department of Anthropology, Manipur University, in collaboration with Indian Anthropology Society, Kolkata, IGRMS Bhopal and ASM Manipur. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah said, Northeast India is often considered a mini India because of its social, cultural and linguistic diversity. She remarked that the small ethnic communities have undergone drastic changes in respect of their lifestyle, both tangible and intangible, owing to the deep impact of multidimensional factors. The governor said the various smaller communities of the region are facing the dilemma of ethnic identity. She also mentioned that lack of skills and infrastructure development, unemployment, particularly among the educated youth, also breed social problems. Dr. Najma Heptullah observed that the region can be considered a hotspot for understanding human issues and diversity. She hoped that the findings of the deliberations will be of great value to planning and policy making for the region. A souvenir of Indian Anthropological Society was also released on the 46th Annual Conference. T.C. Roy Chowdhury Memorial Award 2016 was presented to senior-most anthropologist of the Northeast, Professor A.C. Bhagapati. Henry Konjangbam, who topped the physical anthropology in 2015, was awarded Jyotirmoy Chakraborty Memorial Award 2016.
The communities, mostly tribal groups, have their own socio-cultural characteristics which make them unique in their own way. That these small communities have undergone drastic changes in the respect of their lifestyles, both tangible and intangible, owing to the deep impact of multi-dimensional factors. It further gives birth to both inter and intra-community conflict as well as movement. On top of this, lack of skills and infrastructure development, unemployment, particularly among the educated youths, also breed various social problems. Social scientists, especially social anthropologists, are keen in understanding such problems and seek remedial strategies.
People of Kaching continued their protest against the decision of the centre not to construct sports university at YTB Lokol after the visit of the Union Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, Vijay Goyal. The protest organized by United Organisation Kaching was held today at Nahonloi ground at Kaching Bazaar. The people also held a meeting and took several resolutions. Co-convener of the organization N. Rameshwar said after the centre repeatedly sent officials to inspect the site at 44 YTB Lokol and a memorandum of understanding was signed between the centre and state government after their approval. The organization said they will continue their protest until the government of India decides to establish the sports university at YTB Lokol. Around 3,000 people took part in today's protest. Shops and markets remained closed in Kaching market during the protest. Meanwhile, National Sports University Construction Demand Committee Manipur in a press release said the National Sports University must not be established at YTB Lokol. It also appealed to people not to create controversies regarding the construction of the sports university. Retired IPS Thokchom Radhesham today joined the BJP Manipur Pradesh with thousands of his supporters from Hairok. With more than 10,000 of his supporters, the aspiring BJP candidate from 33 Hairok constituency took out a motor rally from Hairok Part 2 Thokchom Lekai till the office of BJP Manipur Pradesh at Nityai Pai Chutik. Senior members of BJP Manipur Pradesh received Radhesham and his supporters at the office. With the enrollment of around 8,000 new members from Hairok today, the total number of members enrolled in the BJP from this constituency has reached around 15,000. Hairok constituency has about 29,000 voters. T.H. Radhesham said he entered politics so that he can contribute towards a good governance.
Aina politics yauragadi ai khare henna contribute tawang ngamgadra aduga policeman ama oiringai matamda praja ga yam na interaction yam phange da praja gi nungai tawa pen dawa awar pa mayam se adum toina akhone interact tawbane khangmani na masi karamba jaga ra changa karamba forum dai karamba platform dagi akhona amuke na praja gi tawung ngamgani hena yengob kanda politics changa kana na hena ngamgani hena khanjarak daina police service ai police service sahi tara ne chap chang walis adu bai thado mo laksei ne du mayam sing loina raga kramai manipur gi future si positive oiba direction pu ngamgadage haina adum su khanjaraga ai sangjara
BJP Khangabo Mandal organized one-day political conference today at Sarojini Oil Pump Khangabok in connection with the upcoming 11th Assembly polls. Speakers at the conference appealed to the people to vote for BJP to bring about a change in Khangabok. BJP Lamlai Mandal today held one-day political conference at Sawombung Community Hall. In a press release, the Mandals said former president of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Mainam Bhorot, stated that it was not the BJP-led NDA government that cancelled the special status given to Manipur. Aspiring BJP candidate of Lamlai KH Ibomsa said, to bring a good governance, a BJP candidate needs to be elected from Lamlai constituency. There were fights yesterday between the members of BJP Lamlai Mandal and workers of BJP aspiring candidate KH Ibomcha. Irom Jiten of Yorobung is the president of the Mandal. Speaking to media at a press meet at Sawombung, treasurer of BJP Lamlai Mandal Laitonjam Jiban said, last night around 10:30, the members of the Mandal announced the cancellation of a BJP meeting of Lamlai Municipal Council, Pungdombam and Sawombung GP scheduled to be held today at Sawombung Community Hall. He said, while they were announcing it on mic at Yorobung, workers of KH Ibomcha threatened them with double-barrel gun. He also said members of BJYM tried to snatch the gun and seized some bullets. Jiban said no one was injured in the incident.
Mogi meeting do akoina yaitho boining dina moina akoina singsilaga akoi kano to akoina haire taso deba nangna akoida khamido khamunu noi mathak thong kamu pa phungno akoi di amani yabda ma wari sanabe adam mogi yut kamu kauraga akoida stilai re yubung sa akani yut kamu law na kaura adu tawe adi akoi ju moina nongoi puthora adi nongoi puthok photok di akoi kamu jiga omna dra phuna dna khara tawnagre adu moi digi akoina mon puthok padi masagi nongoi di pha phangode deba mren di license kan ne adu maru di koina phawre adu makha ta di kai kamai to mo kam kamai songno bno kamai songno bno di ko ju thodo khang jidra adu thinga padi mo na ko thing pani
Laitonjam Jiban claimed that the one-day political conference organized by BJP executive member KH Ibomcha at Sawombung Community Hall was halted as no permission was taken from the DC.
Leiriba akogi lamai kendra gi BJP pamjaba miusing je ambato ina unity wezi amaga amana hunba amana ngana bato togda bida ambato ina tasal laga punjal laga masi pami ayu akanda moiju akoiju amato ina BJP ina adubu monazu na khaibung to ba khonazu khaibung to ta di lamai kendra da BJP kakhatpa ngamoi khana saina ba thokta nabgi damta DC gi permission lawraga koina meeting je koina yetuk chan mani thingjan mani masigi damta DC na khana chana thokta naba ayaba pibile gi damta DC gi side pusu thagasari adiga musu lamai kendra gi parja myamusu koina thagapa BJP gi mekadi thagapa phungduk sari masim chani
BJP Sagolban Mandal member and secretary of BJP Central City District Imphal, Lokha Manoranjan alias Rojo, joined the Congress party. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee yesterday accepted his entry to the party. MPCC Secretary and Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo welcomed him at his residence. Manoranjan said he quit BJP as the party neglected the members and workers after new members joined the party. A team of Imphal East District Police Commando arrested a Pripa cadre during a search operation from his house at Kakwa Selumbalaikai. The cadre has been identified as self-styled 2nd Lieutenant Sagolshem Ibomcha Singh alias Thawai Lemba, 39, son of S. Thoiba Singh of Kakwa Selumbalaikai. A case has been registered at Singzami Police Station. A large number of people of Paubitek took a protest march demanding punishment of those involved in the death of baby Sakina, a minor student who was found hanging at Khan Hostel, Lilong Nungai Kunau, on the 5th of this month. Police blocked the protesters who came to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister at Langthabal Furamakong. The protesters shouted slogans condemning the death and demanding punishment of the culprits. The protesters were moved to a nearby field as they created chaotic traffic in the area. Later, representatives of the protesters went to submit the memorandum to the Chief Minister. Students and teachers of Sunrise Public School, where baby Sakina studied, took out a protest march today condemning her death. Before they took out the march, the teachers and students staged a sit-in in front of the school. The protesters displayed placards condemning her death and demanding punishment of the killers. Time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Ozal Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozal Lipsap Group na puthok saba Ozal sinabiyo
Ningol Chakawada Pengba Ngaton Chabi Hogdabro, Wabi Ruranu, Central Agricultural University Nasinba, North East Ki Kwaidaki Chauba Agri Fiarda, Manipuri Indigenous Peace, Mapungmari Paraba Pengba Amadingaton, Pangbiragani.
Tang Taradagi Taranitoy Pauba.
Mela Mapam, Central Agricultural University Iroishemba, Pengba Keji Tarada Keji Amagip, Ngaton Keji Mangada Keji Amagip.
Puthok Chariba, S. Surchandra Pengba Farm, Hyangthang.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Coordinating Body Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee today warned the government that they will start agitation in case the process to include Meitei Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution is not started before the announcement of 11th Manipur Assembly Election 2017. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, committee convener Mutum Churamani said they will submit a memorandum to the governor of Manipur urging her for the inclusion of Meitei Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. He said the committee has been urging the government for inclusion of Meitei Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list. Churamani also said the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee has been organizing public meetings and signature campaigns at various locations. He said it is unfortunate that the government has sidelined the issue.
Masigi lenga ngoi sing sina akhoi iho se kadai de hogani kamain tongni haibse masi honaru banai dana thorpa iho ma akhoi tawroi hainingai leite athuba matamda ngasi government sina election code of conduct lagtringai government sigi power leiringai matamda thabaksi Central Demand Committee ne taliba demand se changsil hogdaba aduga center da mari leinaba singida che chang thahogdana akhoi schedule list channaba hona hogdaba taragadi hojik paliba government se amu halakadra haloidra haibagi mangjaunana khanbam thoi haiba wafam si wafam sing si thamjari.
Secretary of Angom Mamang Lekai Development Committee Lenindro in a press release accused the Pradhan and member of Kangla Gram Panchayat in Khurai of violating the rights of the job card holders of the people of Khurai Angom Lekai Part 1 and 2. He also expressed the apprehension of swindling the funds allotted for the scheme to help villagers by a handful of people. Oriental College Students Union in a press release has condemned the assault of DESA members including President Morangthem Angamba on the 29th of last month in connection with an incident at Manipur University. A sit-in was held today to protest the assault of 3 youth at gunpoint at Uripok Bachaspati Lekai last night. The sit-in was organized at Uripok Bachaspati Lekai Community Hall by locals of Uripok Bachaspati Lekai, Uripok Bachaspati Maning Lekai and Sinam Lekai. The incident occurred around 10:30 last night when the 3 youth shouted to slow down a speeding car. After the car sped away, around 15 people came to the spot and assaulted the 3 youths. The locals, however, caught the persons with the gun and beat them up. The 3 injured youths were admitted to RIMS. Speaking to media persons, one of the protesters appealed to the authority to immediately arrest Inaubin Umaithem from Tera Sapam Lekai, who took out gun and assaulted the 3 youths. The protester also appealed to punish all the accused persons in the case.
Bihar da thokodaba gumba ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯉꯥ ꯇꯔꯥꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯎꯠꯂꯒ ꯐꯨꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯗꯟꯗꯤꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯐꯥꯒꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎ ꯔꯥꯖ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯅꯤꯛꯇ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯖꯒꯅꯤ.
Joint Action Committee on Rehabilitation and Resettlement of Chadong Village in a press release said the people of Chadong Village have not authorized N. Ngaranmi to speak on rehabilitation and resettlement of Chadong Village and related matter of Mapitel Dam. The committee said his statement on media on November 7th is null and void. It also appealed to the people not to be misled by him in a sensitive issue like rehabilitation and resettlement. 12 Bihar and the Army Aviation Unit at Laimakong organized Know Your Army and display of Army helicopters for students. The aim of the event was to familiarize and motivate the youth to join the Indian Army Aviation. In a press release, PRO Assam Rifles said the students had the rare opportunity to witness the static display of helicopters arranged for them and get a close feel of the magnificent metal bird. 45 students along with teachers of Nil Nil Manj High School, Mayang Imphal attended the program. 5-day painting competition began at More Trade Center today. The event, which will conclude on November 12th, is organized by Lalit Kala Academy, Regional Center Kolkata and Manipur State Kala Academy. Manipur State Kala Academy Director Dr. K. Sushila, Lalit Kala Academy Regional Center Secretary Siddhartha Ghosh, additional SP More M. Mubi, among others, attended the inauguration day. 10 painters from Manipur and other states will compete in the competition. Director of Information and Public Relations Meghachandra Kongbam has clarified that the results of the written tests held for various professional posts of the department were not announced as the number of candidates were less than the probable number of candidates for interview. In a press clarification, the director said as per DP's office memorandum, the ratio for candidates per post for interview viva voce is 5:1. Virgo Enterprises yesterday launched a beneficiary card called Shiroi Card at an event held at Classic Hotel. The card will provide 10 to 20% discount to beneficiaries at various hospitals, diagnosis centers, jewelry shops, furniture showrooms, pharmacies, oil pumps and departmental stores. Individuals can purchase 500 rupees beneficiary card while family cards are available at 1000 rupees. Thongju MLA Thongam Biswajit, who took part in the event, said entrepreneurs are providing employment opportunities to the youth in the state and contributing towards economic development. People have been warned not to burn rice straw as the burning destroys nutrients like potash, phosphorus, nitrogen and organic carbon. In a press release, the Agriculture Department said the burning of straw also causes pollution which affect the health of the people. It urged the people to use rice straw in preparing vermicompost, mushroom cultivation, making packing material, etc. Now news from the world of sports. North Imphal Sporting Association, Thamaiban and Neroka FC Sangapam beat their rivals at the 11th Manipur State League played at Kumalampak Artificial Turf today. In the 63rd match, a lone goal from Mohammad Sahabaz in the 8th minute of the match took North Imphal Sporting Association Thamaiban to victory against Southern Sporting Union Singjamai 1-0. In the 64th match, Neroka FC Sangapam trounced Trukpu Nambol 4-0. Tidim Road Athletic Union Kwakathil will play Anoboy Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai, while Klasa Kaina will play YPHU Lalambung tomorrow. In the 5th league match of the Hunger Marchers Kendra-wise above 50 and 60 years league come knockout Kang tournament, Oinam Kendra Kangkhut defeated Kundrakpam Kendra Kangkhut 1914. Haingang Kendra Kangkhut will meet Thongju Kendra Kangkhut in the 6th league match tomorrow. Maira Bashikong and SYUC Uchekon Kuna won their matches at the 7th Under-16 men and women state level hockey tournament. In a women's league match played today, Sai Guwahati trounced PHAM High School 5-0. In the men's league match, Maira Bashikong thrashed PHAM High School 6-0, while Hockey Union Larigambam Laikai drubbed SEYO Singjamai Wangma 8-1. 7 men's team and 5 women's team are competing in the tournament organized by Manipur Hockey at Kumalampak AstroTurf Hockey Stadium. The 28th Senior State Level Archery Championship 2016 was held at Imphal November 4th to 6th with archers from various archery clubs taking part in the competition. Assam Rifles archery team bagged 5 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze in individual and team events. Rifleman M. Sundar Singh and Bijendranath won gold in Indian round, while Rifleman Iridesh and G. Robert won gold in compound division. Assam Rifles secured first position in senior men's. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor Najma Heptullah says smaller communities in Northeast are facing dilemma of ethnic identity. People continue protest at Kakching Bazaar against centre's decision not to construct sports university at YTB Lokol. Retired IPS TH Radhesham joins BJP with thousands of supporters today. And ST Demand Committee asks government to take steps to include Meitei in ST list before announcement of assembly polls.